Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a beat switch in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started with making a beat switch. So basically guys, we are going to get started from scratch. You're going to make your beat switch like you would on any other platform using your tracks and instruments. So here we have our instruments such as the keyboard, drums, and so on. So let's say we are going to be using the keyboard. If you tap open up the keyboard, it's going to open up this recording menu. It works the same for any instrument. Any instrument you open, it's going to open up the recording menu. There's going to be a big red circle at the top of the screen where you can get started recording yourself. So after recording yourself guys, you can get started finishing the recording and go right here into the upper left corner to tap on edit mode. This is going to open up this mixing mode option right here where you can find all the tracks that we have. As you can see, I have my keyboard, drums, and so on. And basically guys, this is where you want to get started with making the beat switch from. This is your main editing menu where you can get started with adding all the effects that you want. Here at the top of the screen we have the sliders option as well, where you can get started with adding your master effects, plugins, and equalizers, and so on. So you can get started providing your tracks, setting them how you want to get your desired beat switch effect and to make your desired sound. But basically you want to go ahead and explore the options that you have and get started with editing it just like any other option you would use. But basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.